of applause. Thank you. After this welcome dance, I request Vamsi sir to give a welcome speech. Thank you.
Performance. Thank you very much. Tatahkim, tatahkim, tatahkim. What's the use? What's the use? What's the use? You may be rich, you may be beautiful, you may have wealth, everything you have, but if you don't bow down your head to the lotus feet of Guru, tatahkim, tatahkim, tatahkim. What's the use? What's the use? What is? That's the meaning of the song. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you very much. So after the invocation song, I take pleasure to give a small welcome note to all of you. Samskar, the Dream School, 9వ వార్షికోత్సవ వేడుకలకు ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా విచ్చేసిన మా సంస్కార్ చిన్నారుల తల్లిదండ్రులకు, వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు అంటే మా సంస్కార్ చిన్నారుల గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్కి, మా ఆహ్వానాన్ని మన్నించి జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలనకి విచ్చేసిన శ్రీ గుంజంజీ గారికి, గౌరీపతి గారికి, శ్రీనాథ్ గారికి మరియు సంస్కార్ శ్రేయోభిలాషులకు, మీడియా మిత్రులకు మా హృదయపూర్వక స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం, సంస్కార స్వాగతం. On behalf of the Samskar Dream School, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to all of you who have gathered here today on a working day. Today, we are extremely happy to conduct our 9th annual day celebration. The theme is Salute India. I am also extremely honored to get this chance to speak to you on this occasion. How swiftly and unnoticed the time flies. The last year annual day memories are still fresh, right? And one more year has gone by just like a flash. And one more year has been added to the glorious saga of Samskar School. I know each and every minute, every second, and every moment of today's morning is dedicated to our children who are going to rock the stage in a short while. However, with your kind permission, with our kids' permission, I would like to take few minutes to give a welcome note. I would like to just share a small incident which has happened just today morning. Not able to see the audience, yes. Now I am able to see all the audience. Thank you, sir. Sorry for this. Today morning, while I was coming to Ravindra Bharati from home, I just received a phone call from one of my childhood friends, schoolmate, who have come to Hyderabad from his native place. And he got my number through some of our common friends. So we were extremely happy to recollect our golden school days. And since he has come here, he has invited me to spend this morning with him today. And he also invited me for lunch. Right, I said, I'm extremely sorry. Today we have our annual day function, so I cannot join you. So instead, I invited him, if possible, you can attend our annual day function. He is going back in the afternoon to native place. I don't know. I'm not sure whether he is in the auditorium. Somebody is waving their hand in the back. Raj, if you are in this auditorium, please take this as my personal welcome. Why I am quoting this incident today on this occasion with all of you? I am quoting this incident with all of you on this day because he has asked me two very interesting questions related to our annual day. The first question he asked me was, ఎక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు యాన్యువల్ డే? మీ స్కూల్లోనా, ఇంటి దగ్గర, స్కూల్ దగ్గర ఎక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు అని. ఇట్ వాస్ హిస్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. And the second question he asked me was, చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా ఎవరిని పిలిచారు? ఫిలిం యాక్టర్స్, తమన్నా, సమంత, బ్రహ్మానందం. So somebody saying no, right? Or IAS, IPS officers. So these two questions he has asked me, and then our discussion went on very interesting, right? And then I had to complete all 30 minutes of my drive. I had a discussion with him. So these are very interesting and important questions that he has asked me. And then at the end of the discussion, he only suggested me, okay, today in your welcome note, why don't you talk about these things? So Raj, I think somebody is waving there. Raj, if you are here, I'm extremely thankful to you for giving me this idea of talking on these 2 points. So the first question is, ekkada chestunaru annual day? So I told him we are doing our annual day in Ravindra Bharati. I told him we have been doing our annual day programs in Ravindra Bharati for last few years. Then he said, oh, Ravindra Bharati, so very prestigious auditorium, very nice. But he asked me one question. How is the school getting benefited by doing annual day in Ravindra Bharati? You are spending so much of money, you are spending a lot of time, you are putting a lot of efforts, but how is the school getting benefited by conducting program in Ravindra Bharati? So he said, if you conduct your annual day program in Moti Nagar, somewhere in the locality, so it's a free publicity. No, he said, everybody in your locality can attend your program by listening to the sound, by looking at the banners, and it will become a free publicity to you. So I told him, annual day is our own family function. Annual day is our close family function. That's why in our annual day invitation we print students, staff and Samskar school invites. And that invitation go to other parents. That means we are inviting each other. One family is inviting the other family to gather at some place, right? Enjoy the program, witness the talent of the students, our children, and then bless them and go back. It's a small function. So there is no idea of publicity here. It's only a very close family function. So that's why we conduct at a very comfortable place where kids feel comfortable. There's a huge place, kids are very comfortable, where parents feel comfortable, a beautiful sound system, a beautiful light system. That's all we want. For the second question, chief guest ga evarni invite chesaru? Again, film actors, they are required for crowd pulling. Right? If you have to, at any cost, if you have to fill this room, if that is the objective, we can also invite film actors. So crowd pulling is not the objective, right? It is only our family function. Number second thing, chief guests are required, మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు, right? Chief guests are required to boast the organization. మమ్మల్ని మేము పొడుకోలేం కదా ఎక్కువ. We cannot boast ourselves, బాగుండదు కూడా. సో చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే 2 చిన్న సలహాలు పేరెంట్స్కి, కొన్ని సలహాలు టీచర్స్కి, కొన్ని సలహాలు పిల్లలకి ఇచ్చేసేసి తర్వాత మిగిలిన టైం అంతా సంస్కార్ అట్లా సంస్కార్ ఇలా దే యూజ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు బోస్ట్ దిస్ స్కూల్. సో డియర్ పేరెంట్స్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ, ఈజ్ దేర్ ఎనీ నీడ్ ఫర్ ఎ థర్డ్ పర్సన్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ సంస్కార్ స్కూల్? యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ విత్ అస్ ఫర్ సో లాంగ్, for so many years. Who else know better than you about Samskar? You all know very well where Samskar school is doing good, you know, where Samskar school is not doing good also, you know, where we are improving, you know, where we are improving also, you know. So when you know everything about Samskar, I personally feel there is no need for a third person chief guest to come on this stage and then talk about Samskar. Right? So these are the, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. So then finally I told him, the main reason, the main purpose of conducting these annual days is because the annual day is the greatest opportunity for the students to learn life success formulas. Annual day is the greatest opportunity for the students to learn life's greatest success formulas. What do they learn? Number one, through these annual days, they are going to learn how they will work under strict timelines, under pressure. This is the first learning they get through these annual days. We used to take about 40 to 50 days for the preparation a few years back. Now we have reduced that time to 20 days. That means within 20 days, kids should be able to understand the choreography, learn the steps, understand the coordination, understand the synchronization, formations, and everything. They should get ready to perform on the stage, right? The first dance they have done, they have practiced in just 15 days, right? The second learning they are going to get through this annual days is they learn how to work in a team. They learn how to work in a group. Number three, through these annual days, they learn how to adapt to a change, how to adapt quickly to a different scenario, different environment, right? Number four, through these annual days, they learn how to present themselves before unknown audience. These are the four major learnings that we expect them to learn through these annual days, and that is the objective of conducting these annual days. I would like to explain about how they learn each and everything, but I don't take much time now. During the dance programs, when they are getting ready on the backstage, if I get some time, I will talk about all these four things, how they learn. So, I will close my welcome note with these thoughts and open the stage for our superstars to rock. So my sincere thanks to all of you for listening to me patiently and carefully. Before I close, I sincerely bow down my head with all the honesty to all our parents and grandparents who have reposed their confidence and trust on us for very long years, and then who have been continuously supporting us with guidance. Dear parents and grandparents, without your support, we would not have been here today where we are. సో అలాగే ఈ పెద్ద ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఏమన్నా చిన్న చిన్న తప్పులు జరిగి ఉంటే, జరగబోతే, ఇది మనందరి ఫ్యామిలీగా భావించి మీరందరూ క్షమించి మనసారా మన పిల్లలందరినీ సంస్కార్ స్కూల్ని ఆశీర్వదిస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yes, Vaibhav, I'm from second class. Vaibhav, what do you do in the evenings? Do you watch TV or play video games sitting at the home?
No way, I go out and play with friends.
Don't you get tired by playing outside?
Come on, I feel more refreshed, more active, more alert after playing sports.
Oh, I get more tired by watching TV and playing video games. After that, I'm not in a mood to study. Let me try playing out with friends in the evenings.
That's the spirit. Enjoy playing.
May I please request Vamsi sir to give a brief on this dance performance?
Thank you very much, Purjita and Vaibhav. Very nice anchoring. Thank you very much. Sports is one reason unites states. Sports will teach us hard work, unity, strategy, focus, competition, celebrate winning, and what we learn from losing. So on this occasion, before starting this next dance performance, I would like to let all our parents and grandparents know that next academic year, we are going to recruit one full-time sports director in our school, Mr. Yugandhar. And thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. And we focus sports as an integral part of our school. We are already working with sports department of GHMC. We have already submitted the letter. We are trying to get approval to use a municipal playground. Number two, we have already gotten approval to use a municipal playground which is adjacent to Janapriya Apartments, which is a municipal playground. We have gotten approval from the corporator. We already got the letter, right? We are also trying to tie up with PR Nagar Park. We want to adopt that park. That will become Samskar and PR Nagar Welfare Association together park. If that happens, we have lot of space for making our kids play. So we are doing all these efforts. And on this occasion, I would like to mention that if God willing, with all your support, next year we are going to do a sports day in the Samskar School. Right? Thank you very much. Screens off.
खेले जी चलो खेले जी आओ दिल लगा के हम खेले खेले जी चलो खेले जी आओ जान लगा के सारे खेले लाख दुखों की एक दवा है खेल मिटाए गम
खेलेंगे तो सीखेंगे हम क्या है जीवन
सभी नशों से बड़ा नशा है नशे में डूबे हम
खेलेंगे तो बदलेंगे हम सारे मौसम गुस्से को उदासियों को दूर दो भगा नफरतों शिकायतों का भूलो पता जीतो हारो गिर के संभल के जरा सच्ची ताजी सेहतों का ले लो मजा
खेलेंगे हम जो खेल अरे बदले अपना देश अरे कस के कमर अब खेलो इंडिया खेले जी चलो खेले जी आओ दिल लगा के हम खेले खेले जी चलो खेले जी आओ जान लगा के सारे खेले टप टप पसीने की बूंदे जो खिले
यूं लगे के सीटियों में मोती है मेरे
धक 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 दिल में धक धक धड़कने चले
यूं लगे कि जोश को दो पहिए मिले हाँ मैदानों की मस्तियों में दिल जो लगे वो दिल भी तो मैदानों से बड़े हैं बने ओहदे चाहे जो भी हो छोटे या बड़े खेल के मैदानों में सब साथ हैं खड़े
अरे छोटी सी ये गेंद बदलेगी पूरी गेम